Hello and welcome back to the video tutorial of editing your website using Cubit. This time we're going to discuss the steps on how to edit your website using photographs and uploading photos, uploading PDF files and things like that. So go ahead and go to your website and /admin, click login. Your password should be saved. The next step is to choose the page you're going to edit. This time we're going to go to Services. Then you choose the photo that you want to replace. You'll click on the photograph and then the Insert Edit Image icon, which is the little picture of a tree, and then your window will open that describes the page or the location of the image, and of course shows a little thumbnail of the image. But you'll click the icon that says Browse to the right. The icon doesn't say Browse, but when you move your mouse over it, it says Browse. You'll get to know that little button. Basically, that's what opens up the image manager. And inside the image manager, you'll see possibly a folder, and then of course the images that are located on the server for your website. You can change the number of images that show per page. I'm going to change it to 100, even though there aren't that many pages worth of images. But you can also take this window and resize the window so you can see more images and adjust the way it looks. If you want to go, basically what you'll do is you'll click the image that you want to drop in, and in this case we're going to drop in this image with the clipboard. So we click on it, and it sets the path to that image, and then it shows you a little version of the photo. So we'll go ahead and hit Update, and there's the image in the place that of the other one. And let's say you wanted to enlarge it or shrink it. You just grab the corner and shrink it down, or you can enlarge it to the size that you want. I don't recommend doing this very much, only because it does change the way the image looks. The images are usually set to specific dimensions at 72 dpi, which is the best DPI to set. It's what's called screen resolution. It's what most people see when they go to the website on the front end. It is possible to upload a 6 megapixel image from your digital camera and shrink it down and everything, but it is going to take a little while to load, and you've probably seen that on people's website where the image just slowly loads vertically down to the very bottom, and that's usually because they didn't size their images properly. They're probably around 300 or 400 dpi, which is way overkill for the internet. Anyway, once you've inserted the image and sized it the way you want, then you're all set, and you go ahead and hit Save. And then, like I mentioned before, you want to click the tab and refresh to show the difference. Actually, we're on the Services page, and you'll see the new photo there. And of course, we're going to now upload a new image. So you click the same image. Of course, you select the photo, and then you click the Insert Edit Image icon. Then you click the Browse button, and from here you don't want to choose an image that's on the server already. You want to upload an image to the server. So in that case, you'll click the Upload button, and then the Upload window appears. You'll hit Choose File, and it'll go to your computer. And in this case, my window is fairly large, so I'm going to shrink that down. You want to go to your Images folder, wherever you want to choose images from. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose a logo that I have done for a friend of mine. And once you've chosen the image, go ahead and hit Upload to Server, and then it processes the upload, and you'll see a taskbar there, a progress bar showing you the progress of it. Once it's finished, it'll show 100% status, and then that means the image is uploaded. What it's doing right now is it's saving the file onto the server so that you can choose from it in your options, or in your folder there. So close that window out, and then go look for the image. And there it is. There's the image we picked. I'm going to go ahead and insert. And if you'll notice, it's quite large. The photo's probably way too big and bigger than it should be. It won't fit on the page. So what I'm going to do is go back in, and I'm going to edit this photo. And you can do that through the browser, through our editor. So just click the little drop down button and choose Edit, and then another window opens up, and as you can see, this image is way too large for the website, You'll oftentimes have this be the case when you upload an image from your digital camera, because if it's a 5 or 6 megapixel image, it's going to create much larger images than you need. So you click the resize button, and then usually keep constrained proportions on. Let's say we're going to make this 250 pixels wide. Hit apply, and you'll see the size is just about right for what we need. Then you go ahead and hit save, and it asks you how you want to save it, and then we'll call this Dear Logo, and we're going to hit save. And then what it does is it saves a duplicate. You've got the original down here, and you've got the new one here, and you know by the name of the file. So since we're not going to need the large one, we can go ahead and delete it. So hit delete. Yes, I'm sure I want to do this. And now we have the version that looks like what we want. We'll go ahead and hit that button. We notice that the size is correct. Hit update, and there's our logo placed where we want it to be. And go ahead and hit save. Then we switch over to the front end and refresh, and there it is. Our website's updated with the new logo, and everything's good. Of course, I'm going to undo this, so I'm going to go delete. Take that back. I'm going to select the file, replace it with another image that I'm going to choose. In this case, I'm going to choose the one that was there before, and hit update and save. And now we're back to the way we were after we hit refresh. There we go. Alright, and that's how you upload an image, and as well as editing the image. And this concludes this lesson. The next lesson is going to be on uploading PDFs and setting links to PDFs, as well as links to other pages and other websites. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.